Next, we have a song about the consonants we left out in the last song. These consonants can make more than one sound. Turn to page 4. Point to the pictures of these words. After you've had practice, you'll be able to sing along with the rock stars. And that'll be fun!
C sounds like when it comes before E, O, or Y. C sounds like you can learn it if you try. C sounds like when it comes before A, O, or U. C sounds like you can learn this C sound too.
Look at the top of page 4.
C sounds like when it begins words like celery, cereal, circus or city, circle, cycle, cylinder or symbol.
Look at the bottom of page 4.
C sounds like when it begins words like cat, can, car, or cookie, colors, corn, cup, or cut.
Look at the top of page 5.